What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video, StefPlays Prend au Jésus prend ma vie. All right guys, going into part 1, starting on the C chord here. Now we have two C's in our left, G, C, E in our right, or you can just have it C and G in the left, a C, E, G in the right, make things easier. All right, going to F major chord. All right, we got the F major, C major, F, A, C in the right, back to the C major chord, right? Sus 4 a little bit there. Going to the C again. Here's going to the new chord, D major, D and A in the left, D, F sharp, and A in the right. That's that D major to go into the G major chord. All right, G and D in the left, G, B, and D in the right. Sus 4 of that. Going to C again, back to F major, right? Going to C again. Now here's going to go in descending order. Go to the G inversion chord. We got a B and G in the left, B, D, and G in the right. To an A minor chord, right? A and E in the left, A, C, and E in the right hand. To the F major chord, to the G major chord, back to C major. Sus 4. All right, let's do that one more time. C to the F major, to the C major again, Sus 4. Hit the C one more time. Go into the new chord of D major right here. Boom. All right, D and A in the left, D, F sharp, and you see that F sharp there, and the A in the right, to G major. Sus 4. Back to C. To F major again. To C major, going that descending order to the G. Again, that's B and G in the left, B, D, and G in the right. You have that G major chord in the middle of those two hands. Make sure you got that there. Adding the B in the left bottom, G in the top right. To the A minor chord. A, E in the left, A, C, and E in the right. To F major. To G major. Back to C. Sus 4. And that is the verse. Moving on, let's go on to part 2. Start at C major here. All right, we got the C, E in the left, C, E, and G in the right. Going to the F major, F, C in the left, F, A, and C in the right. Going back to C. Now, if you go from the last two lessons actually, I taught this progression here. I'll teach it again right here. Here we go. We got C, D, D sharp, and E. When you land on that E, you're gonna double up. And on the right hand, you do G sharp, B, and either E on the top or D to make that D major 7 chord. Or I'm sorry, the E major 7, right? To the A minor, right? You have A and E in the left, A, C, E in the right. All right. Then we're going to another D major chord here, similar to the first part, right? We have double up on Ds with the G in the middle. And on the right hand, you have that F sharp, A, and D. Make that D major chord to the G chord. Sus 4. Right? Go back to C, to the F major chord. And then you can go to an E inversion. This is an alternative. We'll show you another alternate later. We have E and C in the left, E, G, and C in the right. All right? That's C in the middle. And you add those two notes on top, E and C respectively. And then F major to G major to A minor. All right? And then to D minor, D and G in the left, D, F, and A in the right. I'm sorry, D and A in the left. To the G major, finish off at C. Sus 4. All right. So now one more time. Here we go. C to the F major, back to C major again. And here goes that riff right here, transition. Boom, at the E major 7, to A minor, to D major, right? Again, double Ds with the A in the middle, F sharp, A, and D on the right, to G major, Sus 4. And then back to C, going into F again. And this time we're going to G instead. I'm sorry, we're still going to A minor, at E minor, right? And then D minor, D and A in the left, D, F, and A in the right, to G major, Sus 4, down to C major. As you can see, I like doing a lot of Sus 4, so I hope you guys are following along and doing it as well. Now, let's go all over it again. Right, we are back at C, to F major, back to C. C again, going to the D major, right, to to G major, Sus 4. Then to C major, again, to F, to that E minor inversion. Now, alternatively, you can go back to the C, G inversion, and then the A minor, right? To the F major, to the G major, then finish off with the C, right? Chorus time, C, to the F major, back to the C, Sus 4. That transition here again. Hope you guys are really getting this. Just listen to it. C, D, D sharp, and E. E at the left, G sharp, B, and D on the right. Or you can make it that E, round off. To the A minor. To D major again. Right? D in the left. F sharp, A, and D in the right. To G major. Back to C, to F major, to G major, to A minor, to D minor, back to G major, and then finishing off with a C, Sus 4. And that's pretty much the song. Now, let's go over one more time with some tempo. You guys can follow along as well. This is realistically how most Haitian churches play it. The G major. Hope this is sounding familiar to you guys. Right? Remember that alternative. You can either go to the E minor or that C transition. Jezu. Right here, E major 7. To F, D. Again, I'm playing a lot of different variations here. I'm not sticking to what we just learned. Hopefully this is sounding familiar with the chords that we've learned earlier. Let's try it again. Prend, oh Jezu. Right? I'm putting all that I've taught you guys in this one. Just adding some tempo. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for listening. All right, thanks guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys took the time to slow down the pacing, take the time to learn it well, so you can play to the best of your ability at your church. Again, share this video with a friend, all your musician friends, those who need to learn how to play this song. And I hope you guys can play it well to glorify God. Again, if you like the video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Again, share this video so we can get as many people watching this as possible, so that YouTube can continuously to refer to other musicians. I thank you again for watching, and hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.